Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps to pin a chat on WhatsApp. Pinning chats is a great way to keep your most important conversations at the top of your chat list for easy access. Let's dive right in. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Once you're in, you'll see your chat list displaying all your recent conversations. Next, scroll through the list and locate the chat you want to pin. This could be with a close friend, family member, or even a work group. Any conversation you want to prioritize. Once you've found the chat, press and hold it. On Android devices, this means long pressing the chat until it's highlighted. For iPhone users, swiping right on the chat will also work. Now, look at the top of your screen. You'll see a row of icons appear. Tap on the pin icon, which looks like a small push pin. And just like that, your selected chat is pinned. You'll notice that the pinned chat moves to the top of your list and stays there, no matter how many new messages you receive from other conversations. If you ever want to unpin a chat, simply repeat the process. Long press the pinned chat and tap the unpin icon at the top of the screen. And there you have it. Pinning chats on WhatsApp is quick and easy, helping you stay organized and ensuring that your most important conversations are always within reach. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making the most out of your apps. See you in the next video.